Prepear has over 100,000 recipes to satisfy every taste and lifestyle. In this video, I'll show you how to find and store the recipes you like to cook. Start by tapping the Recipes button at the bottom of your screen. The Recipes area in Prepear is divided into two sections, Recipe Discovery and My Cookbook. If you're looking for new recipes, you'll find them in Discovery. Tap the magnifying glass icon at the top of your screen to search for something specific, like chicken. Here's a list of all the chicken recipes in Prepear. Just tap on any one to see the recipe details. If you'd rather browse a more general list, scroll down in the main Discovery area to see different categories like breakfasts, dinners, snacks, and desserts. You can side scroll in any category to see a few more recipes in that category. Or you can tap the arrow to expand the entire category, like this. Now we're in a filtered view, where all the recipes belong to the lunch category. You can filter your results even more by tapping Edit at the top right of your screen. Filter by meal type, cuisine, cook time, special diets, or allergies. Let's filter for vegetarian recipes without milk. Hit Save, and there we are. Our chosen filters appear at the top of the recipe field, so we can remove a filter if we want, like this. Now it's time to save some of these recipes into our cookbook for easy access later. When you see a recipe you might like, tap the recipe image to open the full recipe. Want to keep it? Tap the bookmark icon, which looks like a little ribbon, in the top right corner. You can also bookmark recipes from the Discovery section by tapping the circular shortcut button in the bottom right corner of the image. The shortcut button will pop out into three options, and you can just tap the bookmark icon to add the recipe to your cookbook. Great, we've just bookmarked two recipes. To see them, toggle to My Cookbook at the top of your screen. This is where all your saved recipes live, ready for you to plan, cook, and organize. The recipes here came from inside the app, but you can also add original recipes and web recipes to your cookbook too. Check out our help desk articles on original recipes and imported recipes to learn more about how to get recipes from outside the app into your Prepear cookbook.